Okay guys, now I am going to build a wireless network using access point and PC routers switch. So let's do that. So I am going to select a switch from here, put it here, select a router from here and put it here, uh, select three other PC here, two other PC here, and we'll put a access point here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to establish a connection between this PC and the router first, and then I'll establish the connection of the whole network using the access point, and these two PC will be connected via wireless to the access point, and then the access point will be connected to the switch via wire. So let's do that. For that, uh, uh, for your uh, for your for your help, I'm going to make it look like nice, so you will easily understand. So this is a portion, this is another portion, and this is another portion. Okay, so there are three portion, and let's do this portion will be connected by a wire, this portion will be connected by like wireless to the wireless access point, and the access point will be connection to the switch by a wire. So let's do the configuration of the router first. So for that, you have to off the router and put those port on the behind of the router and put it on. And as I actually do, what I do, like I put the name of those device as their own IP, as their IP address, according to their IP address. So it's easy to understand what device has the what IP address. So let's do that. For the router, it will be always the first IP address of a network, so it will be 11. Okay, and for this PC, the IP address will be 192.168.1 and 3. For this one, it will be 192.168.1 and 100. Okay, so actually let's establish the connection between those two and see what happens first. So I'll configure the Ethernet, fast Ethernet, because I'll connect the router through the fast Ethernet port. So let's do that. Let's connect them by wire. So I have to put the IP address for the first PC, like it is 1, like 2. So the default gateway will be the IP address of the router for all devices that are connected under a router, like under its same network. So those two yellow will be turned into green soon, and we'll check the okay. So it's already turned into green. Let's check whether they are connected or not. Let's ping to the router and check whether it is connected or not. And yeah, it's getting the response and it's connected. So let's switch on visually, like I'll send a message from here to here and see what happens, and it's successfully done, like it's doing the task. Then let's go to a move to here, and for that portion you have to actually do some tricky task, because by default the PC has not the configuration to has not the wireless capability. For that we have to put the wireless capability on those PCs. So for that you have to make you have to off the PC first, go to the LAN port and drag this LAN port here, take this one and drag this one, because this one has the 2.4 gigahertz wireless interface capability, and it will give the PC the wireless capability. and you can easily watch that this PC is connected to the access point by wireless. Okay, so let's move to this PC and do the same. Okay, so let's on it and let's see what happens. Okay, so it also connected to the access point via the wireless. So let's go to the access point, and you have to do some configuration for the access point. Before that, I'll connect the access point to the switch via wire. Okay, so let's configure the access point here. So in that part you have to check the port 0 and make sure everything is clicked, like everything is checked, and go to the port 1, and you can name your wireless network whatever you want. In that case I'm going to name it, I'm going to name the wireless network JNOCC, and well, I'll give a key, that is password, and you have to put a 10-digit password, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so the password is now is active on the access point, and you can easily see that those two PCs are disconnected from the access point now. Why? Because it has the password and those two PC has not the password, so they are not able to connect to the access point. So let's see what can we do here. Actually I have to first put the IP address for them, and the default gateway will be the the IP address of the router. Okay, so those two PC has the IP address. Now we have to actually click on the PC wireless and go to there and refresh it until we get the name of the network here. Okay, we get the name of the network here already. So go there and put the password, click on the connect, and you can see that they are connected by wireless. Okay, so do the same for the PC2. Go to the connect and hit refresh. Do so until you get the name of the wireless network here, and yeah, we get the name of the wireless network already. So put the password of the wireless network and click connect. Okay, those two PCs already connected to the access point. Now what we will see that we actually can send data from this PC to this one, or that PC to this one, or that PC to the router. So let's ping, because if it if it pings, if it get the response when we ping to one device to another under a network, we that means that the connection is established. So let's see, I'm pinging from this PC to this one. Let's see. Okay, so let's ping it again. Okay, let's see what I'm missing here. Am I missing something? Oh shit, when I connect to the connect to the access point, the IP address goes default by default changed to DHCP, so that's why it's not getting the response. So I have to set the IP address after I connect to the access point. Okay, so let's do that again. Okay, now it will get the response, of course, for sure. Okay, now let's ping. Yes, it's getting the response, so the connection is established. Let's see whether it can access to the it can reach to the router. Yes, it can reach to the router because the we are getting the response. So let's see it visual, by sending a message from here to here, and it is successfully sent. So let's do it visually. Okay, let's do it quick. Okay, so this is traveling, and it will travel to all the available option, but only the correct option will receive it successfully. And you will see the cross sign and the right sign. So actually we have already established the network, so that is the main thing you have to do for the build a wireless network. And you can easily see that this type of network is available in everywhere, like you will find it in your dorm room, or you will find it in your university and colleges, and in your home also. So that's in a nutshell for today, and see you in my next tutorial. Thanks.